Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new 2024 Ford F-150 Tremor. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a dual exhaust, tow hooks, rear park sensing, blacked out Ford logo, backup camera. We do have a tailgate step and a bed liner. We do have the nice Tremor gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection and lights. And moving to the front real quick, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks. We do have a blockader front view camera, that nice yellow that goes across the grille, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather and black camo seating, as well as the yellow stitching. Plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. That nice leathering on the door with the yellow stitching. Cup holders, of course. 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, you can lift the seats for additional space. And you do get a collapsible little cubby. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather and cloth interior, but we do get the additional Tremor logo. Plenty of door space, that B&O sound system, powered mirrors. You do get Blue Cruise, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights on your mirror, Pro Power Onboard, and tailgate opener on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 16.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with the yellow Tremor stitching, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here you have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, also collapsible, more storage with cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, leather-wrapped center console with yellow stitching. It does open up for a nice interior work surface and does open up as a regular center console. Dry modes, rear locking differential with 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got that nice camo on the storage above and below. Storage right there. 6 Upfitter Switches, which you can set up however you please. And we do get a nice rear window opener as well. We do have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and trail control just right there, and we do get Blue Cruise as well. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB66452, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.